Welcome to Mr. Champion himself, DJ Bravo. We gonna have a champion breakfast this morning. Yes. And look at it, the spread looking nice. Yes.
It's a pleasure to be here, people. I wake up this morning, I call Uncle and say, Uncle, we need a champion breakfast. I tell him what I like, and he prepare one of my favorite. All right, so you go tell the people where's the champion breakfast.
Yes. Well, we'll dish it out here now.
Yeah.
We have here eggs.
Nice.
Fried plantain.
I'm two chefs, I bring down my father, the champion daddy.
And we have some roast beef.
Yes.
All homemade. And masala chicken. At the side. Yeah. And apple on the side also. All right, let's see how this goes.
Go coffee.
Oh my, I'm forgetting the main thing.
Yeah.
Coffee to wash it down. Check it out.
Yeah, I could give me a nice little pair of jacks. I go drink this. Good.
Right, well, help yourself. Yes, that's how it going.
Right?
Yes.
Right, plantain. Some egg.
Right.
Special.
Yes.
What?
How you mean?
I get the posh plate.
Yes. Well, you use the boss.
Right, plantain. I'm done breakfast.
And we have some roast beef.
Pepper?
No, I don't cook with pepper.
Let him in. Pepper.
If you want some kuchila, I have.
Nah, I go there. Yes, a good thing.
Good food. Yes, so well, time to enjoy. Going on good. And especially with champion here, better yet.
Pleasure. Okay, I think by the you have to sip a coffee now.
And coffee to wash it down. Let's have a taste of